Hi everyone, let's talk about very confusing but same time important topic called groups. Once the user created a new repository, the user can easily create connections. However, a lot of users are very confused about creating workflows and transformations. The solution to the problem is very simple. You have to start by creating a group first. Let's create a new group called sales. Just click new, type sales. Here is our group, and now we can create transformation. Let's call it orders. And here it is. The same principle applies to SQL scripts, import scripts, reports and packages. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in our support forum.